Want to verify your WhatsApp business account? In this video, we'll show you how to get the coveted blue tick. No, we're not talking about those read receipts. Meta has swapped the iconic green tick for blue. A WhatsApp verified badge or blue tick makes your business stand out. Instead of just a random phone number, that blue tick next to your brand name makes you instantly recognizable. It shows Meta has confirmed your business based on your activity and submitted documents, and let's be honest, it sets you apart from competitors who don't have that blue tick. The blue tick on your WhatsApp business account shows customers that your business is legitimate and trustworthy. It signals that you are verified by WhatsApp and recognized as notable, making it clear that customers are engaging with the real business, not an imposter. When customers feel confident in your identity, they're more likely to engage with your messages and less likely to report or block your business. Your business name will also appear in chat headers, lists, and profiles, even without customers saving your number. This boosts brand recognition and helps your business stand out in a crowded marketplace. Now that you know the benefits of getting verified, let's go over the prerequisites to qualify for the blue tick. To qualify for the blue tick, your business must be using the WhatsApp Business Platform, or also known as the WhatsApp API, which offers advanced features than WhatsApp Business App and is generally used by larger or more established businesses. Your business must be verified through Meta Business Manager by submitting your documents for approval, ensuring your brand is legitimate. To further secure your account, you should enable two-step verification. This adds an extra layer of protection, making it harder for unauthorized users to gain access to your WhatsApp API account. Last but not least, you are a notable business. Meta defines a notable business as one that's well known and frequently searched. To qualify, submit 3 to 5 media links from reputable sources such as news articles featuring your business, and these must match your business name on WhatsApp and Meta Business Suite. Do note that Meta doesn't accept paid or promotional content. Having a Google business profile and a solid Facebook following can also improve your chances as Meta checks brand mentions through Google searches. While meeting all requirements doesn't guarantee verification, following a reliable guide increases your chances. Now let's take a look at how you can apply for the WhatsApp blue tick. There are 2 ways to go about it. You can apply for the blue tick through a BSP. However, the verification process may vary depending on the partner you choose, so it's best to contact your BSP directly for details on the application process and any associated fees. If you don't need application support, you can verify your WhatsApp business account directly through WhatsApp Manager, and the process is free of charge. On your Meta Business Suite, click on All Tools on the sidebar and click on WhatsApp Manager. Next, select the phone number you want to request verification for under the Overview section. Turn on two-step verification for this phone number if you haven't enabled it before applying for the blue tick. Follow the on-screen instructions to choose your preferred security method, either an authentication app, text message, or security key. In the Profile section, fill in your business details and click on the Submit Request button. Note that you can't click on the Submit Request button if your business does not meet Meta's requirements. When providing the reason for requesting the blue tick, include a brief explanation of your company and its position in the market to justify your blue tick application. Once you've provided all required information, click Submit. Meta will review your request and you will receive a notification letting you know if your account has been verified with the blue tick or not. If your WhatsApp blue tick application gets rejected, don't give up. Here's how you can fix this in 3 steps. Meta will always provide a reason for rejection. It could be due to your business not qualifying as notable or not complying with Meta's business commerce policy. The first step is to identify the reason and address it before reapplying. Once the issue is resolved, you can submit a new application in 30 days after the initial one was denied. Meta encourages businesses to build their presence in news articles and online content during this period to increase the chances of approval. As WhatsApp experts, we can help businesses get verified quickly and effectively. If you're a Respond.io user, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team for assistance with your verification process. If you're looking to verify your WhatsApp API and are worried about getting rejected, sign up with Respond.io. We'll guide you through every step, ensuring you follow all necessary guidelines as long as your business meets legal requirements. This helps maintain your account's credibility and ensures verification approval. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe. And as always, keep the conversation going on Respond.io.